What's going on, you guys? I'm hitting you back up with another video. Today, I want to show you something a little special. I went and purchased a 1984 Z28 Camaro. Like I said, it's an 84. It's not an IROC. But it needs some work. And I've already been working on it, of course. You know me, the ambitious one. But I'm gonna walk out here and I'm gonna show it to you. Here we go. I hope everybody been doing pretty good today. I got a new phone. I went from an iPhone back to Samsung. And the reason why I did is because I was having issues with the iPhones, and I couldn't get my content in like I needed. But as you can see, this phone right here, man, it's the truth when it comes to its clarity. Yeah, my girl gave it to me. I don't even know what. I think it's a Samsung 5G or something like that. But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all Blue Jay first. I ain't really did nothing special to Blue Jay, but she got some new things coming as well. Blue Jay, been working hard, man. But here it is right here. Y'all ready? Bam. The 84 Z28. Let me see. Listen. I've been doing this. I got her, what was it? I think it was last weekend. But you can tell it's an 84 because of the front. You see the front on this one, and the front on this one. It's different. You can tell light right off in here. See the difference? Oh yeah. All right, but yeah, this one, it's got the T-tops. You can see, it's got the T-tops. All right, I done took all the seats out already. Took the seats and the carpet out. And I gotta get me a vacuum so I can vacuum this stuff. Then with these rust spots and stuff, I'm gonna clean them up. I'm gonna sand them down, you know what I'm saying? Then I'm gonna spray them with some with some rust prevention. And I took that side out over there too. Yeah, your boy been working, man. I took the radio and all that out. Here in a minute, I'm finna put a fuse in. All right. I had to open the trunk, and I had to take the carpet out of the trunk because the trunk had water in it. It had water down at the bottom down here. And I had to drill a hole right there so I can let the water out. Because I was not about to put my hands in that dirty stuff. Took all the carpet out. Yeah. I had to put a fuse in because the trunk wouldn't light up. Taking the lights out, cleaning all that up. All that. And down up in here, I gotta clean that because it's basically mud. Basically mud. It's the 84. And then off in here, I had to clean all this off because it had, you know, a whole bunch of dirt and leaves and all that other stuff over here too. Yeah. I mean, as y'all can see, the body don't really look that bad. It ain't got no major dents. I can't get this door open right here. I'm gonna have to take the door panel off and see what's up. No cracks in the windshield. Yeah, them T-tops, boy. When they warm up, take them tops off. You know it. All right, let me show you this other side right here. See, no major dents. It's just gonna need all that mess cleaned out of there. Well, I need a fender well. Like you got some rust over there. I'm gonna have to clean all that off. Up in there too, right there. Spray that with some Rust-Oleum. Yeah, it's gonna need a fender well. I have to order one of them. But yeah, that's what I'm working right now. A little something. Not too bad. See the top, the back glass not cracked. Still got full spoiler on there on the back. Yeah, I got this door to open. See. Yeah, ain't got no major dents. No major dents. And then off in there, it's got the fender wall on this side. I'm gonna take it off. Make sure there ain't no major rust. See? Got the IROC wheels on it. I'm gonna have to take the wheels off, check the brakes and stuff out. No dents and dings in the door. This one, I'll have to fix that door panel. They coming off anyway because I gotta grease the window motors and stuff down. And that one over there, I'm gonna have to take it completely off because I can't get that door open. Dashboard in good condition. Just need to be cleaned down real good. Dash is in pretty good condition. Got the Z28 badge over there. That's the only badge it got. And it's got, let me see, it's only got 85 on the dash, but actually this dashboard is better than the 91, if you ask me. Let me show y'all, look at the dashboard in this one, okay? I'm just talking about as far as looks. And, you know, the one in the 91 is supposed to be an upgrade, but it's not. I don't think. I'm gonna show you. Alright. If you can see it. Yeah, I think that other one over there looked better to me. But I like the steering wheel. It's got the bird on it. I don't like the other steering wheel. The other steering wheel gotta go. You know what I'm saying? Hell yeah. That's Blue Jay. We ain't on Blue Jay today. We on this one over here. Alright, check out the back wheel. Right rim. Look, somebody had already undercoated it. They really did not do a good paint job at all. Yeah, but they sprayed all up in there. Look at that. They did not do a good paint job on that car. I could tell that it was green at one point. Look. Whoever painted the car ought to be ashamed of themselves. Don't do the Z28 like that. Yeah. Yeah, man, it got kind of late, you know what I'm saying? I figured I'd go ahead on, make a little video right quick. But, yeah, this is it. Got a cover, I'm gonna have it covered up for right now. But yeah. She got a 305 and a carbureted, not fuel injected. But of course, Blue Jay getting that 5.3 in it. Oh yeah. But anyway, man, if y'all would hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man, so you know you'll be able to receive more of this car content. But y'all have a blessed day. Peace out.